Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that could change the way you think about blush. It's the Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick in Cool Pink, a creamy, blendable formula designed to deliver high pigment with a dewy finish. Whether you're a makeup pro or just looking to elevate your everyday look, this blush stick promises to make a statement. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick comes in a sleek, easy-to-use stick format, making it perfect for on-the-go application. It's available in a cool pink shade, ideal for all skin tones, and claims to deliver buildable coverage with a natural dewy finish. But it's not just about the color. It's also about how the product feels and performs. I've been testing this blush stick for a while now, and I can tell you, there's a lot to unpack here. First things first, the texture. It's incredibly creamy and glides onto the skin smoothly. When you apply it, it almost feels like a balm, soft, hydrating, and weightless. It doesn't tug or drag, which is a big win in the blush game. The color payoff is impressive from the first swipe, but you can layer it to build the intensity you want. For a natural flush, a light swipe works wonders. But for those days when you want a pop of color, it builds beautifully without looking cakey or uneven. Now let's talk about the finish. The dewy glow it gives is absolutely gorgeous. It's not the shiny, greasy kind of dew, more like a healthy, radiant glow that looks like your skin is naturally flushed with color. If you're someone who loves that lit from within look, you're going to adore this. It's also great for dry skin because it adds moisture and doesn't cling to dry patches. However, if you have oily skin, you might want to set it with a bit of translucent powder to ensure it stays in place throughout the day. The formula can feel a bit tacky when first applied, so setting it can help lock in the color. That being said, once it's set, it does last for a good while without fading or patching. In terms of usability, this product is super easy to apply. I love using my fingers to blend it in, but you could also use a brush or sponge if you prefer. It's one of those products that blends effortlessly into the skin, making it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a quick makeup routine. Plus, the packaging is small enough to toss in your bag, making it ideal for touch-ups throughout the day. The Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick definitely has some strengths. The color is versatile, the formula is creamy and hydrating, and it provides a gorgeous dewy finish that works across skin tones. However, it's not perfect. If you have oily skin, you might struggle with longevity unless you set it, and for those with super matte preferences, this might not be your go-to product. In terms of value for money, this blush stick is a little on the higher end, but the formula justifies the price. Smashbox is known for quality, and you're definitely getting that with this product. If you're looking for a blush that's easy to apply, gives a natural glow, and is travel-friendly, I think the price is reasonable. But if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore some drugstore options that offer similar creamy textures without the premium price tag. As for alternatives, if you're seeking something in a similar price range, the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks Blush is another solid choice, though it has a slightly more matte finish. For a drugstore option, the Maybelline Cheek Heat Gel Cream Blush offers a dewy, buildable formula at a more affordable price, making it a great option if you're watching your budget. To wrap it up, the Smashbox Hot STX Blush Stick is a fantastic product for anyone who loves a dewy, buildable blush that's easy to apply and gives a natural flush. It's especially great for those with dry skin or anyone looking for a quick, radiant look. While it might not be the best fit for oily skin unless set with powder, I think it delivers a high-quality performance that's worth the investment. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an honest review. Your support helps us keep making content like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.